Hey guys, this is the 11th video in our calculation trick series, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to calculate square of a number which is close to 100. Okay, and how much close is purely dependent upon your knowledge of how much you know about squares of the number from 1 to the number which you know. Okay, so let's start with our first question, which is, can you calculate the square of 106 in just 2 seconds? Well, it is of course impossible for anyone to calculate with the traditional ways the square of 106 in 2 seconds. So let's go on our uh, sorry, let's go to the trick and see what can be done. So we have the number which is uh, 106. Okay, and we have to calculate the square of this number. And in this number we are taking 100 as a base. So what we would do is, first of all, we see how much this number and 100 have the difference. Means what is the difference between this number and 100? Okay, the difference is of plus 6. Okay, since the difference is of plus 6, what we would do is just we double 6, means 2 into 6 is 12, and we add 12 in 10, and we will write 112, means 1, then 12, the double of 6, and then square of 6. Okay, square of 6 is 36, and done. This is our answer. Simple, isn't it? And what if the difference is minus 6? Means let's say I have the number which is not 106. Let's say I have the number which is 94, and we want to calculate the square, and in here the difference is minus 6. Okay, so what would be it like that the answer is not this? What we'll do, we have 100, and we are actually adding the double of 6 in 100. We do the same, we add double of minus 6 in 100. Okay, double of minus 6 is minus 12. Adding 100 and minus 12 will give us 88. Okay, you got it, 88, because we are actually subtracting 12 from 100, so 88. Okay, and after that you write square of 6, which is 36. This is our answer. Simple, isn't it? So let's try another example and see what can be done. Okay, so let me take a number like uh, 108. 108. Okay, and we want to calculate the square of this number. So what will we do? First step, we have 100. We would add double of 8 in 100. So double of 8 is 16. 100 plus 16 is 116. Okay, and then we write square of 8, which is 64. So the answer is 11664. Easy. Let's take it as an example. Let's say we have the number 111 and we want to calculate the square. Okay, what will we do? We have 11 difference, so we add 11 in 100, double of 11 in 100, which is 22. So we have 122. Okay, and what would you do after that? Square of 11 is 121. So we would write, because we have only two spaces here, we would carry 1, then 2, then 1. Okay, so our answer is 12321. Simple, isn't it? And we would do the same if we have the number which is less than 100. Like let's say we have the number uh, 95, and we have to calculate the square of 95. What will we do is, we have a difference 5, so we subtract double of 5, or we can just subtract 5 from this whole number. That will be the same from subtracting 100 from double of 5 from 100. So we would subtract 5 from 95 and it will give 90. Okay, and then we write square of 25 here, square of 5, that is 25. This is our answer. Simple. And the same we would do for, let's say we have a number which is 87. Okay, so the difference is 13. We would subtract 13 from here. That would be the same. That would be the same from subtracting double of 13 and 100. So we subtract 13 from 87 itself. So 7 minus 3, that is 4, and 8 minus 1, that is 7. Okay, 25 here we have two places. Now square of 13 is 169. So we carry 169, and the answer is 9657. So the answer is 7569. Simple, and I think you understood this. So enjoy, and let's end our session here.